All right, y'all. I'm gonna finish this battery off here at the sugar mill. Get a few jumps in. Me ojos. Oh. All right, so I had the big tires on there because it made it easier to do backflips and all that stuff. So let's see here real quick. Yeah, that's fine. It's a little more than just a blip like with the bigger tires. So it takes a little more throttle to get that backflip, but it does it just fine. So we still got the 23 tooth pinion in here. But obviously smaller tires, and that should be better for our temps. That didn't work out. You know what? I shouldn't, but I'm going to. That one was full throttle. And it actually landed really well on that hill. Hold on. We're gonna do that from this side, so I get a different view, different angle here from the camera. Counts. Okay, you know what? I think the Badlands are gonna stay on T'Challa. Especially since I killed the slipper clutch on Dark Matter anyway. And I'm gonna wait for the new ones to come out before I replace it. Because the new ones, they look like they've got a couple improvements. And really all it is, like this slipper clutch is just fine. Did it break? Did the dog bone come out? Nope. But on the current slipper clutch, it's not that the slipper clutch itself is bad. It's that backside, the backside of the slipper clutch. I can't talk. Of the slipper clutch itself, the shaft, the screw milling is stripped, so it won't tighten down. I could put a nut in there, but I don't have a nut that'll fit the screws that I have, and I'd rather just replace the whole thing anyway with an upgrade. That's a launch. That turned something off. Either I unplugged it just then or I broke it. Unplugged. Yeah, that was a launch, y'all. That was full tilt. Oh yeah. That's a fucking send. Yep. Before someone's like, oh, I know they can go further. Look at the angle of the jump that I'm taking. That's not a distance angle there. That's getting us some height. We could definitely go further with a different kind of ramp or a different angled ramp. Shit, I'll take that. All we did was unplug it after that big old send. And like we've talked about in the ARRMA Mafia group, some of us have to pay for our parts and our rigs and stuff. So it's like, and since we ain't all balling, like we don't always just do like ridiculous skate park stuff, Kevin Talbot, Rich Duper Bash kind of bashing. Some of us do regular old Joe shit, you know? We're gonna do that jump again though. That's a jump that's regular as Joe's can do. All right, last one and I'm going home. This thing is so fucking good. This answers my question though as far as temps, because it's 80 something degrees outside and I'm not being easy on it and it hasn't thermaled. Previously it would have already done that. Yeah. This thing's a beast. All right, before it gets dark, see if I can get home and let the dog chase his Notorious. I keep saying that was the last one, but you know, it's me. How the hell did I end up over there? Oh. Woo! That popped the dog bone out. All right. The bumper and everything else is fine. I'll take that. Popped dog bone over anything actually broken. All right, that's a good one to end on because I said I was gonna go home anyway. All right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all next time.